Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best. This is a great card, period. Take action on your ideas. Doing your best means to take action. You have many great ideas in your head, but without action upon an idea, there'll be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Yesterday's gone, tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 196. You got NASDAQ up 65. S&P's up 22. Gold contract up $7.90, trading at $13.20 an ounce. Silver up 21 cents, $16.67 an ounce. We get over to the metal market. We take a look at metals. What you're going to see is this. We finally got the wide price spread. We got the volume behind the move. Gold contract, 361,000 contracts. Bottom line, have the price spread. Got inside the higher range. Now that sets up that gold can make the run to 1369 to 1375. We take a look at the silver market. Same type of setup inside the silver market. Silver was up 1.2%, $16.74, up 20 bucks. 20 bucks. I wish 20 bucks. 20 cents. Bottom line, silver looks like it's going to make that run up into the $17.87 mark. Now, it's pretty cool. Pan American Silver come out with its numbers this morning, blew away the numbers, up $1.73. When you take a look at Pan American Silver, the symbol is PAAS. What you're going to see is this has been quite a consolidation. It's been a 2-year consolidation. You're going after a swing point of 21.59, and you very well could have an ABC structure on the way up. What Pan American Silver did do out here today is that it broke the downtrend. It broke out of the consolidation that it's been in since the last 2 years. Now, it hasn't broke topside yet, but bottom line is that if you take all those highs, put them together, what you're going to see is that it sliced right through those highs, had the price spread, had the volume, all of the above. Oil up 19 cents, trading $71.33 a barrel. Oil, bottom line, still looks like it wants to go to 75 bucks. That being said, XLE is in an ABC structure on the way up. That had taken its B point out in April. Got some follow through out here today. XLE is at 76 bucks. That's looking to get up into the $78 area. If we could just go back to gold for a second and go to the GDX, what you're going to see inside the GDX is that we did get volume inside the GDX also. That also wants higher price. GDX did 39 million shares out here, so they put 10 million in at the close. That's what we needed. The next swing point in the GDX is $23.30. Bottom line, we'll see how that shakes out coming into the market tomorrow. Notes, 10-year note is still struggling. The bulls and bears are fighting like crazy, folks. What they're fighting over is 119.14. You gotta love it, man. I'm telling you. We've been battling over this, just as gold contract was battling over the price point of 13.14. The 10-year is battling over the 119.14 area. Now, what the 10-year did do out here today is this. You go to a price point of 119.21. You had 1.3 million contracts traded. That's big contract volume, folks. And that is saying, number one, you're going to be back up at the highs today. Bottom line, we'll see what kind of volume we got. If you get the same type of volume, that is saying that the 10-year also wants to bust into its higher range once again. The 10-year yield, 2.964. So the high for the year is 3.0264. Right now you're at 2.964. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar goes south. First time it's gone south since April 14th. You had an expansion of volume, 34,000 contracts after basically making a high with 25,000. You know, King Dollar had a nice run. There's no two ways about that. And had volume behind the run, by the way. Okay, we had some good volume. We broke out of that consolidation on the 23rd of April. Bottom line, it had some force on the way up. You made a high yesterday. It looked like it was getting tired anyway. It was trying to get into the swing point that was established out here on December 12th of 2017. Missed it by a couple hundred ticks. Sold off. Has volume on the sell-off. That is, we'll see what kind of a day we have out here tomorrow. If, in fact, we get to lower price tomorrow on the dollar, and you have an expansion of volume, that is setting up some big problems inside the U.S. dollar once again. Now, the dollar in a much larger sense is still in a very large ABC structure on the way down. We go take a look at the XAU, the HUI. They also caught a bid. XAU is up $1.43, trading 83.81. That's saying that XAU wants to go to 86. Gold Bugs Index, same type of setup inside the Gold Bugs Index. Gold Bugs Index was up $1.84, trading 182.11. And that little baby can get up into about the 190 mark, the 190 mark being the high of the February 14th. February 14th, folks, inside the gold and silver equities is a benchmark that I expect is going to get hit. Some of the higher volume stocks in this market out here today, we had Micron Technology up $1.65. We had Apple up $2.68. Apple's at a new all-time high. Nvidia's at a new all-time high. Nvidia's going to be coming out with its numbers at 20 past 4. Nvidia trading 260 NVDA. And you talk about numbers, man. These numbers are huge on Nvidia. So we're at 260, and if you want to see an expansion of numbers, this is, they better make their number out here, because this is what they're looking for, folks. This is pretty amazing, actually. So Nvidia is in its first quarter of 2019. That's just a different fiscal quarter. Bottom line, they are looking for expansion of over $1 billion from their last year's first quarter. Last year, first quarter, they did $1.9 billion. They are looking to do $2.9 billion. You're talking about expansion. You're talking about growth. Oh, my God. When you look at these numbers, 2014, NVIDIA did $4.1 billion. 2019, they're looking at $12.4 billion. You're talking about 300% in the course of 5 years. That is one monster number. Earnings per share number, same deal. It goes from a price point of 99 cents. They're looking to do $6.96. So that's a 500% to the bottom line. 300% to the top line, 500% to the bottom line. Guess what? As soon as we come back, we're going to have those numbers for you. Dow Industrials finished up 196, NASDAQ up 65, S&P's up 22. Come right back.